Hello, sir and all friends. My name is Maria Siregar from Accounting Class B. I would like to explain about PT Waskita Beton Precast and its annual report. Description of PT Waskita Beton Precast Tbk. Waskita Beton Precast was officially formed as a subsidiary of PT Waskita Karya Persero Tbk on October 7, 2014. Waskita Precast is a manufacturing company for precast and ready-mix concrete with currently one of the largest production capacities in Indonesia. The company lists its first shares on the Indonesia Stock Exchange on September 20, 2016. After the 2016 IPO, the company has successfully achieved various achievements, including winning the Alpha 10 Annual Best Deal and Solution Award Southeast Asia 2016, with the assumption of IPO funds of IDR 5.1 trillion. Then, Waskita Precast was also included in the 2017 Morgan Stanley Capital International Index, the LQ45 Index in early 2018, and the Compass 100 Index in 2018. In 2019, they received the GSA Award from Indonesian Securities Analysts Association and GSA Research, and in 2020 also received the Indonesia Construction Safety Award and CEO Safety Leadership Award from A2K for Indonesia. PT Waskita Beton Precast Tbk has an organizational structure as follows. You could read it yourself. The scope of business. In accordance with Article 3 of the company's Article of Association, the scope of its activities is mainly to manufacturing industry, namely construction work, mechanical, electrical work including network and installation, radio, telecommunication and instruments including network and installation, repair, maintenance, renovation of buildings, general trading, especially trading in precast concrete, mining service, integrated work, design, building management, fabrication of building materials and components, fabrication of construction equipment, components, construction equipment rental, agency service for building materials and components, and construction equipment, investment and or business management, export-import, system development, area management, development, transportation service. Annual Financial Report Analysis. Annual financial report of PT Waskita Beton Precast was obtained from the website www.idx.co.id. I took one of the audited financial reports, namely the 2020 financial report. Here I will discuss several methods of financial statements analysis. The first is the comparative method. What is the comparative method? The comparative or comparison method is used by using the numbers in financial statements and comparing them with the numbers in the previous year's financial statements. In another way, you can compare its relevant financial statement item or significant data, so this method is also known as a ratio analysis method. From the statement of financial positions, I have made comparative balance table. Here we see the increment, change or decrease total assets from 2019 to 2020 is about minus 35%. And then, the increment change decrease of total liabilities and equity is about 17%. Next, I have analyzed statements of profit or loss and other comprehensive income by common size financial statement method. What is the common size financial statement method? This method is an analytical method that makes financial statements in the form of presentation. The presentation methods are usually related to important amounts, for example assets on the balance sheets, sales on the company's income statement. The results show that gross profit or loss in 2019 is about 21% and in 2020 is about minus 151%. And then, profit or loss before financial charge and tax in 2019 is about 13% and in 2020 is about minus 230%. Next, profit or loss before tax in 2019 is about 11% and 2020 is about minus 215%. And the last net profit or loss for the year in 2019 is about 11% and in 2020 is about 218%. From the analysis result, PT Waskita Beton Precast Tbk experienced a drastic decrease in net profit. This may be due to the COVID-19 pandemic. That's all of my presentation. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you.